at that rock. I still gotta find one. I still gotta find a rock for your mom. I ain't found one yet. See the creek down there?
Yeah.
So, you go back to this place?
I don't know. I might. I mean, there's a bunch of them around here. Royal Blue. Oh yeah. I'd like to stay longer next time. And nobody went for a ride last night. We got riding about 10 o'clock yesterday. And then we was out about 7 o'clock. We got, well, a little before 7, probably 6:30 to 7, somewhere in there. And then we went to Outback and ate. And then everybody was full, and we were supposed to come back and go ride. And then everybody got full, and they're like, well, we're just going to go back and rest and have a good big day tomorrow. I was like, shit. But then I was like, you know, I only had 4.5 hours the last 2 nights. So I was like, well, that's fine. You know, I can use the sleep. But of course, I didn't go to bed until 1:30 anyway. But we got up nice and easy today. And we've been on the trail now for probably a half hour. See there? I'm driving in a stream right now. Another stream over there. I guess I should put her in low range. Low gear. wants to climb the hill. Woo! Riding right along the stream.
Pretty cool. This has some kind of a compartment to rest in. Here it is. Beautiful dogs.
Thank you. Stay, Tinky.
He's in here. He just walked in here.
This is the cart compartment I'd be riding in, so I'd have to jump the train.
Jess, can you take us train?
Right? He said him turn around.
Getting a little moldy here and there on this right side anyway. It doesn't get no sun. You can still sleep on the other side here. It's pretty cool.
That's pretty neat, man. Bird nest up on the wall. This is an economic roof, you know.
There's a long one here.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what I was saying last night. You can tell the difference in the seats. This is like economy.
Maybe back in that here with your chickens and all.
Throw their bags up overhead. I've never ridden on a train. I played on them when I was a kid. We had a rail yard right behind our house. One time we were on one and they were hooking it up. We were fucking around in one of the carts, and when they hooked it up, the whole thing, bam, moved. We were freaked out. We come jumping out of that damn thing.
Oh, shit. So this is where you put your bicycles in.
And that was the whole tour. And that concludes the tour today, ladies and gentlemen. Show you where we're at.
Cipher it out. I want to go to the P.
Here's
Risen.
where we hit G6, and we came back here somewhere. Well, if we take back down the road, there's G17 cutting in somewhere right past where we come out on G. Actually, that is. Remember when we came out on G6 to the road, that trail they were facing that went this way?
Mm-hmm.
We can take that back to go to 42, and then keep taking it down, and we can even come around 43. I'm thinking 43 loops back around. Because see, it's 43, 43, 43.
Right.
And then take it back down. The 42 is what we were going to take earlier to go to 43, but we missed it, and then we can get it.
Where's the
again.
prison at? Isn't the prison over here somewhere?
Prison is the other way, they said. So if we want to
It's
go
at the bottom of the mountain.
there first, go down to the prison.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's hit that.
We'll just stay on the pavement to there, and
Yep.
actually, like I said, right at G6 where we hit the road, that's where G17 goes in. So
Yeah.
Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. Limit 7. Remember that. 7.
Would you just look at that? Please like and subscribe. New adventures coming every month. Over here. Some mountain streams over here. Rock Solid picnic area. Built for the enjoyment of everyone. Please help us take care of the area. Enjoy your ride at Windrock. Fire pit. Very nice. Creek down there. Oh, that damn rock stacker guy, he's been everywhere. What the heck? Nice. We already ate lunch though. Trail 41. Definitely suggest having brakes when you ride up here. Trail 27. Trail 77. they behind us? And then you wanted to stop and cool down a minute?
He's got to wait. He's overheating.
All right, 10-4.
Two-wheel drive that all the way up. It's awesome, dude. I love using the two because you can slide around a little bit.
Yeah.
I did it in fucking turf mode, bitches.
Yeah, that's good.
So I was two-wheel drive lock.
Serious?
Saves you from tearing up grass.
Oh, wow.
That's one thing nice about the Pioneer. They got turf mode. I back out of in my yard and it tears the grass up. I'm telling you, Pioneer's really a freaking awesome vehicle. I mean, I've been riding with Mike for years in his, and it's been a freaking badass machine. You gotta know its limit.
It's what you're looking for too. Your bike's a different style.
Huh?
Your bike's a different style. It's all a matter of what you're looking for.
Yeah. Well, my kids are all growing up.
These
so
are
I
like
really need them
workhorse
for sure.
utility, and at the same time they can handle. You can hit that shit harder and faster, ride smoother, all that than what we could do. But we can, and you can probably, I'm sure, go a little further than we could. What tires you running?
Carnivores,
Yeah, but what size?
30s.